Today, we are going to travel to the Salto el Hacha waterfall, located in Venezuela, in the Canaima National Park. The main attraction of the park is the Angel Falls. You can watch a film about this majestic waterfall on our YouTube channel. However, Hacha Falls is also a unique natural site of beauty. It is much easier to sail here than to Angel Falls. That is why all the tourists who reach the Canaima Lagoon must admire the Hacha Falls. This can be done on a small local canoe. The waterfall keeps a secret. Behind the raging wall of water, there is a tunnel through which you can go right through the waterfall. You can't see anything behind the splashes. You need to step into the unknown, but having overcome the dense water flow, a wet cave is revealed, overgrown with vines at the entrance. Depending on the thickness of the water wall, its color changes. The right side of the waterfall is almost transparent, while the dense left part pulsates orange. Surprisingly, it is quite light inside the cave. The sun breaks through the streams of the waterfall, and the glare dances on the walls. There is so much water here that its roar drowns out any sounds and small splashes swirl into whirlwinds. At the same time, water flows from everywhere. It feels like splashes are flying not only from above, but from all sides. Salto el Hacha is one of the most popular places to visit in the Canaima National Park. It is worth keeping in mind that during the rainy season, which lasts from May to October, it is almost impossible to make an excursion behind the waterfall due to the huge stream of water rushing from its top.